What's up? Thanks so much for signing up with Friend Disconnector. But before you go off and start unfriending all your inactive friends, I wanted to give you a one-time shot to save a lot of money and actually upgrade your Friend Disconnector account to the full Friend Disconnector account instead of the basic account that you just purchased. And then also get full unlimited access to Friend Connector. So let me just take a few minutes to go over this special offer and what you're going to get. So you can see the small monthly price that is listed below for the actual upgrade. And what you're going to get is you're going to get Friend Disconnector Pro upgrade. You're going to get the full Friend Disconnector account, all features and functionalities actually completely unlocked. You're going to get all the new features that we actually ever build into the software because you'll be on the highest level plan instead of the entry level basic plan that you're on right now. All right. So what you'll get right off the bat is you'll get access to our gender and country filters. So next to each friend, you'll have some additional data to see what their gender is, what country they're from, and what tier level that is, in case you want to actually remove all the low tier people. Now, we're also building a lot of cool new features and functionalities, which are automations to be able to automatically sync your friends every day, automatically actually scan for engagement and do that automatically instead of having to do it manually like you have to do right now, and even automatically unfriend people either every single day or based on wherever you actually reach a certain amount of friends. And you can set the filters, based on how you want to unfriend people. They've had to be your friend inside Friend Disconnector for X amount of time. You can unfriend people that you haven't had messages with, or you've had a low amount of messages with. You can unfriend people who, don't meet a certain amount of engagement threshold. You can set all sorts of different filters to unfriend people, and you can actually do this automatically. And then we're also building out some messaging functionality so you can actually message new friends that Friend Disconnector finds after a set period of amount. So you're going to get a full unlocked Friend Disconnector account. If you don't take this upgrade right now, you can upgrade at a later date for $97 a month. So you are saving a good amount of money if you take this upgrade right now. You're also going to get a Friend Connector Pro full unlocked account. So I sell this same account for $97 a month if you go buy it from the Friend Connector website. Now, Friend Connector is a powerful software that will actually allow you to add targeted friends to your friends list on Facebook. So you're using Friend Disconnector to remove all your unactive friends who, are hurting your engagement. So now you're opening up more and more spots. So you're probably going to want to fill those spots up with new friends. And that's where Friend Connector comes in. Friend Connector actually comes in and it will allow you to target by keyword. It will allow you to target by country. It will allow you to target by gender. You can use it inside a Facebook group. You can use it on your suggested friends. You could use it on somebody else's friends list. And you can even use it on any post on Facebook and add the people who are reacting and commenting on that post and meet all the filters. This allows you to actually fill your friends list with hyper-targeted leads. And then if those people end up not actually engaging and being the type of leads that you want, you can remove them with Friend Disconnector. So Friend Connector is going to constantly fill your friends list up with new leads, and Friend Disconnector is going to remove all the dead weight to help you maximize your engagement and your organic reach. So these softwares work hand in hand to actually help you in your organic marketing. So again, you don't have to buy this right now and take the upgrade right now. You can buy the Friend Disconnector upgrade later, and it's going to cost you $97 a month. You can go buy Friend Connector later, and that's going to cost you $97 a month. Or you can take this offer right now and be saving about 75%. But that choice is totally up to you.